Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about applications of three-phase induction motor and star delta starter for three-phase induction motor. So coming to the applications of three-phase induction motor. So three-phase induction motors are having two types of rotors. One is squirrel cage type rotor and slip ring type rotor. So the motor which is used squirrel cage type rotor, then the motor is called uh, a squirrel cage type induction motor. The motor which is used slip ring type rotor, then the motor is called slip ring induction motor. So coming to the applications, so these motors of squirrel cage type motors are used as a water pumps, grinders, lathe machines and printing machines, etc. And slip ring induction motors. So slip ring induction motor speed we can control. That's what the slip ring induction motors are used in lift, elevators, cranes and compressors. Squirrel cage type motors speed we can control. So that's what those motors are used in constant speed applications like water pumps, grinders, lathe machines and printing machines. Slip ring induction motors are can control the speed since rotor circuit will have external resistance, external rheostat. So that's what so these motors are can use it in speed control applications. So lift, elevators, cranes and compressors, etc. Right. So this is about applications of three-phase induction motor. So coming to the necessity of a starter. Why starter is required for induction motor? So without starter, what will happen to the induction motor? Here, so if you connect induction motor without starter, so it draws more amount of current. More amount of current means 5 to 7 times of load current. The current will be 5 to 7 times. So and also the torque produced inside the induction motor will be 1.5 times to 2.5 times. So which is not allowable. So due to the high amount of current, high amount of torque, the rotor winding will get damage. The totally induction motor will get damage. So suppose the rated current of the induction motor is 12 amperes if you consider. So it draws more than 60 amperes. So 60 amperes current and also the torque will be 1.5 times. Suppose it is torque is 1 Newton meter, so it will produce 1.5 Newton meter minimum to maximum is 1.5 to 2.5 times. So due to high amount of current and high amount of torque, motor winding will get damaged, then motor will get damaged. Again we need to go for replacement of winding. So it leads to expenditure to the consumer. So to avoid winding damages and induction motor damages and also replacement of winding at every time, so here we are using starter for three-phase induction motor. So coming to the star delta starter. At the time of starting, the stator winding will be connected in the form of star. Once motor attains the rated speed, automatically it will convert into delta. That's what. So here the starter name itself is called star delta. So here you can see the diagram of star delta starter. So first is star and delta. So why you should connected in star and why it will converted into delta? So in star connection, line voltage will be equal to root 3 times the phase voltage in delta. So this is for star, and delta line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Here star, other one is delta. So here we have two positions, start and run. So this is the switch, star delta starter switch. So here we have connections, stator connections. At the time of starting, the stator winding is connected in star. Here we are applying reduced voltage to the stator, so that we can avoid the high amount of current flows in the stator winding, and also to damage the stator winding. So it is connected in start. So once motor attains the rated speed, automatically it will convert into delta. So this is the second position, delta. Then line voltage will be equal to phase voltage. So motor will be runs at maximum speed. So in this process, here we have two types of relays. One is under voltage relay, other one is overload relay. At the time of starting, the stator is having overload. So overload relay will sense, so it will not allow us to start the induction motor. So that is the one more advantage of star delta starter. And other advantage of star delta starter is the voltage inside stator winding will be low compared to the normal voltage required to the stator. That is called under voltage. So whatever voltage we are giving, it is not sufficient to start the induction motor. So on that case, under voltage coil will sense and it will not allow us to start the induction motor. So that is the one more advantages of star delta starter we see. So at the time of starting, so reduced voltage we are applying, parallelly a reduced torque will be applied to the. So whatever the amount of voltage torque is produced, induction motor will be reduced. That is called. So automatically the torque is 1/3 times the reduced, right? So once motor is running normal speed, it will change over to the run position. Okay, and next one, whenever the consumer wants to in between stop the motor, so here we have one more button called stop button. So directly we can operate, so consumer can operate and stop the induction motor. So this is about star delta starter. So advantages of star delta starter is, so we are applying reduced voltage and reduced torque. Whenever overload on the induction motor, automatically the overload relay will sense, stop the motor. Whenever under voltage we are applying, then under voltage coil will sense, and then motor will not allow us to start the induction motor. So at the time of starting, reduced voltage, so it will be connected in star position. Stator is connected to star, and reduced voltage, reduced torque we are applying. Parallelly reduced current will flows, winding will not damage. Once motor is attains the rated speed, so line voltage will be equal to phase voltage. Then motor is runs at normal speed. So the star delta switch will change to the from start to run position. So once motor is running normal speed, consumer wants to stop the induction motor. So the start delta starter is having stop button, so consumer can stop the motor by applying the stop button itself. So this is about star delta starter. Okay, thank you everyone. In next video, so we will discuss about the problems based on uh, three-phase induction motor. Okay, thank you everyone.